Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. A very beautiful smartphone. I bought another case for the phone, and for the first time in the history of Xiaomi, I bought this phone without a charger. It needs a 45 watts charger, and it came only with this. So in order to charge this phone, you need a 45 watts charger, and there was no charger in the box. So I had to buy a charger. Dual port network charger plus Type C cable. So I bought this from C to C. From port C to port C. So this is the charger, 45 watts. You never buy higher than 45. It's not good for the battery of the phone. Not less, not more, but 45. So this is 1 meter long, and we have 2 ports here, C1 and C2, so I can charge 2 phones in the same time. It's okay? No, like this. And with the other port is in the phone. So in this way I'm going to charge my smartphone with a 45 watts charger. So I had to buy this extra beside the phone because the phone didn't come with the charger. Thank you very much for watching.